Hi fellow greasy people, I'm Chuck, this is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. Today, we're adding some lights to this end of the garage so I can see my junk piles better. Stay tuned. Today, while the whole world prepares for Snowmageddon 2026, I decided to put some more lights in the shop. It's been a little slow out here lately because I've had some electrical issues out here. It was bad enough I had to call a professional. All things considered, it wasn't that bad. I had made one mistake for sure, and then I had some connections loosen up. But I wasn't able to diagnose it. So I called a pro. Thanks, Jonas. Today we're gonna add some lights in the shop. The workshop end is lit pretty good-ish. However, the storage end where the bikes are when they're not getting worked on, it's a little dark. I went to Harbor Freight and I got these Braun 5500 lumens lights as recommended by Rev Render Garage. I bought 4 of them because they were on sale at the parking lot sale. Right on. I was unaware they had this at Harbor Freight. But I went to my local hardware store, my local Ace, and I pick up this deal where I can use this little remote and I can turn on these sets of fluorescent lights switchless. Well, it has a switch, it's just the wireless kind. So that was also Rev Render's idea. They were $28 instead of $19 at Ace. But I did not have to drive an hour each way to save $8. That's $8 or $9 well spent for me. So yeah, it's really cold out here. I got every source of heat imaginable cranking, and it's still chilly. Lucky thing, my bike is at my dad's garage because of said electrical problems and not wanting to move it back and forth out of the way. If I can get 1 or 2 of these hung up back there where I really need them, I can go get my bike, get it back home out of dad's way, and we can go from there. So I'm gonna put you on pause, mess with batteries and instructions and checking it all out. Then we'll come back to it. Instructions have been read. Heads have been scratched. I think I got this figured out. It should be a breeze. Check this out. These Prime wireless remote control kit from Ace. Pretty well just plug her in, let the light quit blinking, hit the button. Seems good. The light itself comes with all these doodads, plus these hooks. You see how that goes in there? I'm gonna drill a couple of pilot holes, and before I do that, I wanna get you a before of out there in the storage area of the shop, and then we'll have an after. We'll see how it looks. Here is before. There's light, but when something is here, it shadows real bad over there and over there. So I think I'm gonna run 2 lights this way and see where that gets us. Here's another before shot. I want these lights as wide as my cord will stretch. So I'm going to see if I'm gonna have enough. Where's it at? Okay, I can put it right at the end of this light on both sides and I'll be set. I hope. It's cold. I can't have it hang crooked. Oh, why do I gotta be like this? I need a pencil. I'll get you in closer too. Sure is nice being 6'4". We are 2 3/4 inches wide. Half of that is 1 3/8. I want to be just off this light. Oh, that's aggravating. That's what I get for using a Mickey Mouse tape. All right. 1 right there. And here. It at least needs to be eyeball level, you see. So that's pretty easy, right? Come around here. Plug it in. And wha-pow! We have light! Now I just got to do that over here. I don't like how it hangs a little lower, but I do have room to walk underneath it. And I do like having that light. I could have run a board in between the rafters there, ceiling joists, but I don't know. It's pretty okay. I'll ponder on it, see? That's what you can do when you're on your time in your shop. I'll leave them like that for a bit. I'll zip tie those up and then I'll make my mind up later. I'm gonna do the other one. Hey, we're back. I have 2 lights installed. That real time probably took me 20, 30 minutes, if that. I've got the wires tucked up out of the way. Look how much brighter it is back here. And all my junk. I can see my junk better, my treasures. I think that'll do it for this one. Thanks for telling me about these Rev Render and how good they are. I'm pretty tickled. I might just go put some in the other end of the shop to have a little extra. If you watched this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. All the cool things that happen on YouTube. Yeah, I'll catch you later.